Hey everyone, it's Jana from Ballerinas by Night. Today I want to share an update on some upcoming performances I'm doing, and I want to share my summer intensive plans with you. So, first up, I will talk about my summer intensive plans. I'm going to go to the New York City Ballet Adult Workshop. There are 2 weekends that they're offering it. I'm going to the first one that's over the first weekend of June, which is over my birthday. So I'm going with Kristen and I'm going with Joanna, Ballet Librarian on Instagram. We have like an Airbnb. We're gonna like do the thing together. I'm really excited to do it. You guys know I just adore New York City Ballet, Balanchine, all that stuff. So I'm excited to just immerse myself in that for a weekend. I still want to do artÉmotion this year. So this is where I'm kind of like, this got kind of tricky because obviously the Salt Lake City artÉmotion is happening at the same time the New York City Ballet one is. But luckily artÉmotion has added the Cleveland Intensive, which is a couple weeks after, but still in June, and it's a half-day program. So I'm still contemplating trying to make Cleveland happen. I've been waiting to do this video because I wanted to have that figured out before I shared with you what I was doing, but I just need to like tell you because I'm just excited to tell you and let you know that I'm thinking about trying to make Cleveland happen. So still working on that. I might use it as a time for my husband and I to take a vacation together and just make half of it ballet for me. I don't know, we'll see. We don't have any plans yet to just take a trip together this year, so that might have to be an option for us, but I don't know. I really want to go, so let me know if you're going to Cleveland. Let me know if you're going to Salt Lake City. If you guys are not yet signed up to go to artÉmotion and you're planning to go, I will leave this info, the link to the page for it in the description box below. But if you are going to go and you want to sign up, use my code Carson35 and it will get you $35 off of your tuition, and that lets them know that you found out about it from me. So yeah, please do that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And part of the reason, so I'll kind of backtrack now to some information about my performance and why the New York City Ballet decision was made. So I'm performing next month because it's March, so we're performing the weekend of April 25th and 26th, I think, with my Oklahoma City Ballet Adult Ballet Collective group. So my group is doing 2 pieces again. We're doing like a, I don't know if you would say it was like jazzy, but it's kind of jazzy, I don't know what genre you would call it, but it's really fun. And then the second piece is a tango-esque number. So really excited about those. And then my friend Kristen and I, you guys know Kristen, so we're gonna do a duet together and we're gonna choreograph it. So this is coming about because I have some big news to share about that, is that Kristen is moving far away this summer. She's moving away, and so this performance next month is kind of our like last time to get to do something like that, our last opportunity to do something like that together. It's really like we want to embrace it, but we also are having a really hard time like accepting that this is all kind of coming to an end. I'm feeling really sad about losing my ballet friend. You know, if you guys have someone that you just locally, like that you go to class with and that's your friend, that's your buddy, it's hard to be without them. And I've been so fortunate to always have a ballet buddy, like a physical ballet buddy. You know, I had Abby and I met Kristen through Abby, so like she just kind of like gave her to me, and we've just instantly were like best friends. And so yeah, she's been in Oklahoma for, I think it's been like 6 years now or something. It's been a really long time. But yeah, she and her husband, he's in the military, and they are moving to Bahrain, so not close by whatsoever. And I know she's having a hard time trying to figure out how she's going to fit in ballet over there. She hasn't had much luck finding anything that looks like it would be a good place for her to keep dancing. But if any of you are in the Bahrain area and know of somewhere, please share in the comments below. I can pass that along to her and she would really appreciate that. So basically we were like, well, we want to create a duet together and something kind of more advanced, just super dancey. We asked about doing it in this collective performance and they said we could. So we're really excited about doing that, and there's a chance that it may not happen though, just because like we have to come up with the time and the choreography to make it happen, and we're already very limited on time, and she's about to travel for like most of this month, most of March, and we perform near the end of April. So, you know, we're gonna try to make it work. We're gonna meet tomorrow and work on some choreography. I think we got like 12 counts done last week, so we're getting there. But so basically, because she's moving, we were talking about intensives, and she's really wanted to do the New York City one, so we were like, you know what, this is our chance to do it together. That is how we ended up at New York City Ballet. And I think like after we do that intensive, we get back, and I think that she moves like 3 days later or something, so it's gonna be just an absolutely insane spring, and I'm just trying to soak up like every ounce of my time together with Kristen. And ooh, yeah, I can't think about it because it makes me really sad. So we've thought about maybe kind of sharing some of our choreography process with you guys. Like I thought about going live sometime on Instagram, like when we're meeting up for rehearsal. So I don't know, we might do that. So it should be really special if we can make it happen, and I hope that we do. But that is the update from me. And if you are looking to sign up for an intensive, an adult ballet intensive, we have on our blog, I have a page curated of summer intensives that I've discovered that you guys have told me about. And we're adding onto that list. I just added a few more a couple days ago, so we're continuing to add onto that list. So if you know something that's not on that list, you can leave a comment on that blog post. We will get it added in on the list. I would love to hear what you're doing this summer. If you're going to do an intensive, if you've done one before, if this is your first time. You know, last year was the first time I went to an adult intensive. So now that I know that we have options and things available to us, it's very exciting. And I hope to maybe have something you know, in Oklahoma City. We would love to create something for you guys to come do sometime. So lots of thoughts in the works, and I hope to get to see some of you guys this summer. That is it for me today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel here if you aren't already subscribed. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!